In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to become a delivery person with Uber Eats. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or interested in working on a flexible schedule, delivering for Uber Eats can be a great opportunity. So let's walk through the steps to get you started on your delivery journey seamlessly. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Uber Eats website or open the app on your smartphone. Once you're there, you'll find an option to apply as a delivery person. This marks the beginning of your journey with Uber Eats. The application process is straightforward, but it's essential to ensure all your details are entered correctly. After submitting your initial application, you'll need to upload several important documents. These include a clear profile picture. This helps customers and restaurants recognize you, so make sure it's a good one. You'll also need to submit proof of identification, a valid bank statement, and if you're planning to deliver by car, proof of motor insurance. Double-check each document for clarity and correctness to avoid any unnecessary delays in your application process. Once Uber Eats reviews and approves your documents, they will send you a link to start your background check. This link will be from their partner company, which is typically a provider like Sterling. The background check is a standard procedure and can take up to 48 hours to complete. Keep an eye on your email and junk folder just in case the link lands there. When you receive the link, click on it to access the partner's website. For example, if it's Sterling, you'll be directed to their portal. This is where you'll finalize your application with Uber Eats, so make sure you have some time set aside to complete this step without any interruptions. Next, you'll need to submit your information within the partner's portal. This usually requires you to fill in various details, like your employment history or residential address. Also, you'll need to upload a photo of your right-to-work documents. This is a critical part of the process, ensuring that you are legally eligible to work. After you've submitted all the required information, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. This message indicates that your application is being processed. Depending on your location, you may see additional instructions for the next steps in joining Uber Eats as a delivery driver. It's important to follow any further instructions to ensure everything goes smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you apply to become a delivery person with Uber Eats. Remember, patience is key as you wait for each step to be completed. Once approved, you'll be all set to hit the road and start delivering. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new adventure with Uber Eats.